Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, September 24th, 2025. Jumping into the big picture, like to start long-term, work my way into the day itself. It was the settlement several weeks ago above this 361.32 and a half year channel top that set up a 5 to 8 month or sooner, the way things are going, probably sooner, objective at 523.57, which is a 5-year channel structure able to contain buying well into next year. And so we are, are we halfway there? I think so, roughly. I haven't done the actual math on that, but it looks visually like we're halfway there in about 3 weeks. And so here we are. Now, we've had a little trouble in this 426.11 to 426.67 area. Not so much this week, but much of last week. Can we find it on the daily chart? I can't remember. I'm looking right now. And no, we no longer show that image. But I will say, and the point I'm really trying to make is we've reduced this as a significant day support level. It was never a significant long-term 3-star weekly pivot point, just kind of a day-to-day level. But what I do see that has consequences through the rest of the week and into next is 428.95. Now, we did not close below this channel bottom on Tuesday. We closed above it by over a half a point. It is our pivot point, not only for the day, but into later week. Now, we do need to close below it to set up 398.56 as a 3 to 5 day downside target. But even opening below it does offer it as day resistance. And I don't think we'll see 398.56 today, but we could see, lower price activity. If we close today below 428.95, I do think that sets up a 3 to 5 day target, a 3 to 5 day swing trade down to 398.56, where we actually could bottom out through next week and round up within several weeks to the 453.31 rising channel top. I'd mentioned that following the settlement on the weekly chart above the 361.30 level, that our next meaningful objective is the 458.82 rising channel top, and that remains true. And you can find that on the daily chart at 453.31, which we see right here. So this 453.31 up to 458.82 area is a significant zone of resistance near term. Can contain buying through October.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
If you've been long the last couple of weeks, this is your zone, 3 to 5 week swing traders, to take at least some, if not all, profits. For those of you who are more aggressive and like to play both sides of the market, you could reverse and go short in the 453.31 to 458.82 region, anticipating the full rotational downside possibility into the low 360s over the following 3 to 5 weeks. But on the way down, once again, we've got 398.56, and we're back kind of in the 3 to 5 day swing trade. If we open and close today above 428.95, that maintains 453.31 over the next 2 to 3 days with present volatility, where we could top out, as I say, through October and fall away again. Inversely, if we close today below 428.95, 398.56 is likely over the next 3 to 5 days. And I will say that opening below 428.95 does present a dynamic that is more inclined for downside. Selling pressures can build, and I wouldn't be surprised to see the market continue south. We don't have any of the minor points more weighted than the other. You just sort of take it in stair-step fashion and pick your point. But closing below 428.95, expect 398.56 within 3 to 5 days, where we could bottom out through next week, possibly into October trade, and round up into the 450s from here. Closing below 398.56 is the indication of the low 360s, which we say is in reach anyway over the next 3 to 5 weeks. And once again, if we were to close over the next week or so below 398.56, you can expect this lower area within just another week or two. The 361.30 level able to contain selling through the rest of the year, and above which 523.57 remains a long-term target. 5 to 8 months we've been saying, but if we can close in the coming week, 2 or 3 above the 458.82 rising channel top, with present volatility, we're probably just 3 to 5 more weeks away from reaching 523.57, where this market could top out through the first quarter of next year, possibly into a later next year. Upside, let me see, we've got 428.95. Is there anything else to say? I don't think so. Just know that if we open at or above 428.95, this market can rally nicely today. I don't know about 453.31, but some of these minor points on the way up may well contain intraday buying pressures, possibly for the balance of the day. As I've said already, closing above 428.95, 453.31 likely by the end of the week. Closing below 428.95, 398.56 likely within 3 to 5 days. I'm going to leave it at that for Wednesday's Daily Tesla Report. You have a great day.